This is Team Thermos's physical demonstration of the evacuated tube solar collector. As you can see, the solar collector with the 4 evacuated tubes. And this is the output voltage to the pump. The pump is there on the left in the background. The power supply is at 13.404 volts. We are running at about a 40% duty cycle. And there is the 2 solenoids. One goes to a bypass, which bypasses the heat exchanger. The heat exchanger represents the load on the pump, and then the low side pump driver is also there with the 3 FETs. And down here at the bottom of the screen, you will see is the output of the Raspberry Pi. This shows what we're working on. Once again, here is the setup. Here we have a scope meter attached. I'm going to try to zoom in on the scope here so you can see what the waveform is on the output side. This is the waveform going to the pump. This will be at a duty cycle of 40%, and you can see the PWM that we have programmed. There's a lot of noise prior to it being in any kind of phase. And there you go. There's the readback. As I said, 13.07 volts and about 4.5 volts on the pump. That equates to a little over 40%. Here is the asphalt. This is 2 foot by 4 foot of asphalt patch. There is 50 feet of 1/8 inch copper tubing zigzag back and forth underneath the asphalt. So this asphalt is collecting the heat from this location here in Southern California. In addition, you will see momentarily when we send the video, and this is now switching between bypass and is now going directly to the load. So this would be going through the heat exchanger, and as you can see, the output on the Raspberry Pi has changed, and we are now at a 60% duty cycle. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.